Finally! I get to teach a whole lesson all by myself! And I'm gonna teach something relevant, something modern.
Hey, you wanted to start a coconut orchard. And you want your little trees here. And you want your nice coconuts. And each tree produces 3 coconuts. Well, so you have the, you know this from experience, you've done this before, but you're starting a new land. And you take a couple of your other ones from your other orchard. But say you took five of your coconuts here. You have 5 to start with. And you know each one produces 3 from it. I see another little tree in this graph. So we started with 5 coconuts, right? So you'll always have those 5 extra ones. Well, for each one that you get, you're adding on 3 more. For now, we're just going to use a little coconut as our symbol. So we have this, and this is our equation, and it was simple as that, because that's how many we get. Is there any other way we could write that besides using coconuts and trees? Because I think in the modern day world, you're not going to say like, oh, I have 5 coconuts. The general form that we use tends to be, we use x's and y's to do our graphs. If we go back and we looked at our previous equation, we have 5 plus 3. So we're going to write that out. 5 plus blank. And your y's are what you're always usually trying to get over on this side. Next to those x's, we also go back again. You see, this is what you're trying to get, right? That would be your y. And here's your x. But you always have to remember this 3 here, or whatever number it's going to be, because that number will change with time. So you're going to have that. If you put that in here, you have an equation that looks like this. 5 plus 2, 5 plus 0, and you have a 5. And when you write your table, you're going to do that. Just going to put it in there. Yeah! We'll show you exactly how fast you're moving with your coconuts. Or we have a graph. I mean, I know all of you have seen this graph paper sitting up behind my desk, and you've been wondering when you're going to start using it. Well, it looks like this is the time that we're going to start using it. So, here we have our graph, our lines. We're going to have to go back and look. We're still going to be using this. 5 plus, and I'm just going to write it down. And we have our table. If you don't remember it, you can just write it down again, or you can look back in your notes. They're there. Points that you'll count over and then up that many. But maybe you don't know which way you're going. You can just write it down like this. This will always be your x, and this will always be your y. We have our 0, which means we're going nowhere this way, but we're still going up 5. So we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You got the touch!
You see, it's quite a steep line. It means you're getting things faster, which means in your case, you're getting more money. And that's what it's all about. Getting that extra money. You're going to get more money, you're going to be able to buy more coconuts, and then you're going to make more orchards. That's the key here, getting more. And I know all of you want more. I know all of you want more money. Nobody's sitting at home and they're like, no, I don't want any more money. I'm good. I'm good with that.